parang nagutom ah. Very good naman ang ate. Galing na mag-swim ah. Come on. Show me, show me. Come on. Show me, show me. Come on. Come on, ate. Wag yan. Sarado na natin. Swim, ate. Swim. Come on. Swim. Come on. Parang nagsiselos. Hey, good job. Marunong na. Hoy, dito ka. Alis ka dyan, Ming-Ming. Come on, baby. Show me how to swim. Baby. Dali. Yan. Swimmer to, daddy. Swimmer. Swimmer. Where are you going? Madulas ka dyan. Madulas ka dyan. Madulas. Go back, go back. Marunong na. Good job. Good job, ate. Good job. Halika na, mag-eat tayo dun. Done na, close na natin to. What happened? Nabite mo? Careful. Nabuksan pa niya. Yummy? Yummy? Ginutom niya yung bata eh. Oo, sabi ko. Ay, di maglakad. Dali ate, show me how to swim. Teach mommy how to swim. Come on. Dali na. How to swim, anak? Show mommy. I don't know how to swim. Please. Turuan mo, Hal. Turuan. Sabihan mo, Hal, mag-swimming siya. Turuan, sabihan mo, mag-swimming siya.
Can you come here again? From here. From here. Going there. Come here. Go there. Don't touch.
Iwan mo yung kaldero. Oh, nalunod. Nalunod din. Close your mouth when you swim. Ahem. Are you okay? Close your mouth. Don't open your mouth. Did you close your mouth?
Yeah.
Oh, close your mouth. Ahem. Close your mouth. Swim. Come on. Swim here, ate. Oh. Ay, kala ko tatama. Oh. Tito over there. Ate, look at here. Ate, do not go out. Oh, matatamang ka ng ano, mangga. Sige, oh, Tito. Scarlett. Scarlett. Don't go out na. Diyan ka lang. You go swim.
Mommy, give me more tissue. So you can take it out.
Do not go out kasi yun na matatamaan ka ng mangga.
Mommy, yeah.
Baka matamaan na rin, ha? Sabi. Dito ba? Punta. Ay, matuwad ka. Alis ka dyan, matatamaan ka mangga.
Mommy, look at that. Look at that. Hi, Tito. Dada.
Huwag ka na kasi lumabas. Ay, stop swimming na, ha?
No.
Stop swimming na.
No, gaming.
Oh, do not go out na. Matamaan ka kasi ng mangga. Yung isa din. Ano ba naman yan, bebang?
Kaya.
No, ate. Ay, manguha din siya ng mangga. Bibi!